Assalamu alaikum friend, once again welcome to Android Studio beginners course. So the last tutorial I was show you how to works the text view and set the text, and this tutorial we have two works. First just click this text and text style will be changed and this text will be changed, and this is the backend work. So I have used the Java. The second work we add another here one field, and this is with this field called edit text. So when I some enter in edit text, so it will show this text in here. So we to work in this tutorial. Okay, so come again here. So this is the main activity main XML front end file, and this is the backend file in Java. So here I am just first create a text view or variable. So here is a text view. Okay, so when you write a text view, so you can import this text view from the Android widget text view. Okay, so you can now create a variable text view is equal to p text view find view by id r dot id dot. Okay, so I did not found the id, so now go back to the XML and see id. Okay, so id has a text. I just previous video I was tell you how to call this text view from the id. So I can just use text. So I just write here id dot uh, text. Okay, so now it's you can see the text. It will take. Okay, so now text view dot set on click listener. Okay, so now I use enter a new functions in the parameter. So write new view dot on click listener. I just created this function and the parameter inside in the parameter. Okay, so click enter. So it will generate you automatically the whole function method. So in this function inside I just created the one method public void on click. So here I just pass this view parameter. Okay, so now how I to change this text. So now text view dot set text you clicked the text view. Okay, so when I click this text, it will be changed to the this is a text view to you clicked the text view. So now I clicked, it will not happen anything. So now run again this program and the same emulator. So now it will run in installing the pk now. So launching the activity started. Okay, so now you can see we will the view as same view we have created in the last view. So now I just click this text. So as you can see, you click this text view. Okay, so I just click again. So it will not change. It will the same text here because I just click and the click method I just use this text. Okay, so now I will create one more method for this. I just use to edit text added into the XML file. Okay, so go to XML. So here I am going to add one more field. So call edit text match parent weight. I want to match parent and rep content. Okay, so here I just set the ID for edit text. Okay, so after that center horizontal to. Okay, and hint I want to hint if our text field edit text is null, so it will show this text which I write in the hint. So enter your name. Okay, so this will be hint and layout, layout margin. So not top, layout margin top. So layout margin top is 150 dp. Okay, so this is the layout. Input type is, okay, so input type is I have multiple choices for the input. If I choose a number password, so it will take only number and the password chef. So if I phone choose, it will open the phone button, but I want to here as a text because I want a name. Name is in the text form. So it's not 120, so here I just use 20. 20 is not equal to 50. Okay, so now I think it's enough. Okay, so now what I do, if a user writes something inside in this edit text, so it will showing in here in the text view. Okay, so now I'm using the front end is completed, so now I'm using the back end. Okay, so this text view I'm going to create outside in the on the contract on create function. Okay, so I just cut it from here simply and paste it here, and the variable of text view assign here. Okay, so generate one more for edit text, edit txt. Okay, so here as you can see it will be automatically imported the edit text. If you don't have edit text imported, so you can just simply import right android wget and edit text. So now the error has shown will be gone. Okay, so after that I just first initialize the edit text. So edit txt is equal to edit text find view by id r dot id dot edit text. Okay, so it will be added. So now I'm going to create a method uh, in into the edit text dot add text add text changed listener. So I just applied this listener into the edit text. So okay, now inside in the parameter I want to pass one more functions, uh, text watcher. Text watcher, this function I want to uh, pass into the change listener parameter. So I just click simple, so it will create all the method created into the text watcher. So here is a three method auto generated for me, one before text change, on text change, and after text change. Okay, so here I am using the first of all after text change string name is equal to edit text dot get text dot to string. Okay, so the text to view dot set text hello plus name. Okay, so when user writes something and text will be changed, so it will show this text. So this text what I do, uh, take the element from the edit text and first write hello, after that write these element from. So now I run again. Okay, so it will installing the pk and launching activity is now gone here, and see here is our program. Okay, so I'm just write something. Okay, so this is our hint, enter your name. So if I write something, the hint will be removed from the edit text. So as hello is H H F A Y A Z Han. So as you can see here is a hello Shah Fayaz Khan. Okay, so I just click, so you click the text view, so I just enter space, right space, so remove big button, so it will be shown like here. Okay, so this is the text view method. Okay, so as you can see how we use the after text change, but we did not use these two method at inside in the action listener, but we don't need these two things, but you have to be initialized at the inside of the change listener because it will need it as a requirement. If you did not initialize these two method, it will showing some error for you, but I need this one, so we use this thing. So okay, and shall I meet you in the next tutorial? So please subscribe my channel. Okay, Allah